Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing an unboxing in a initial review of the Ratchet driver. Alright, let's get started. It's Leatherman from Leatherman Ratchet driver. It's a 1/4 inch X-bit driver, 3-position ratchet system. It weighs 1.3 ounces. It's 3.27 inches, approximately 8.31 centimeters, and weighs about 36 grams, 37 grams. So that's if you want to pause and read the rest of it, it's up to you. And I believe the product should be made in the USA. I'm not sure. All right, let's get it open. And that's all it comes with, is just this one piece. No adapter, no socket adapter, nothing. Just this piece. And this was I want to say $38, $39. Okay. And the reason I bought this was because the other day I was working on my car battery. One of my cars, I was working on the car battery, and the socket adapter and the socket whole thing just fell into the glove compartment. I mean the engine compartment, and I couldn't get to it. So, and I was looking for another socket and a socket adapter, and I couldn't find one. So I said, well, I'm gonna buy one. I might as well buy. I ordered the socket adapter, by the way, but while I was ordering the socket adapter, I decided to buy one of these because this could have helped. I could have used this to change the battery. But the socket adapter is not in the mail yet. I mean, it hasn't come yet. Now, I have a slight problem. The problem is that, yes, this will work with a Leatherman multi-tool, but I have a Leatherman Signal, I have a Leatherman Super Tool 300, and the Super Tool 300 needs an adapter to actually work with this, but the Leatherman Signal doesn't. But the problem is that I don't carry the Leatherman Signal, and I don't really intend to carry the Leatherman Signal because I don't carry a full-size multi-tool for the fact that I believe it's just a little too bulky and too heavy. Not so much the Leatherman Signal, but you know, I already carry the Swiss Champ, and I already carry a pretty hefty EDC pouch, and just adding this on just seemed like really, you know, really overkill. So why did I buy the darn Ratchet? Well, let's get to talk about that. All right, so let's move the Leatherman Signal out of the way, and get to talking about the how I'm going to use this without a Leatherman multi-tool. So let's try the Opry pry tool, and voila. Another use for my pry tool, I can actually fit it into this socket port right here, and Let's turn it on. And it adds a lot of torque. Isn't that amazing? I mean, I just really love this pry tool. It just, I mean, just when you think you've seen it all, you see something like this, and I just love it. So definitely adding this to my EDC pouch. Another surprising thing that I learned was that I wear this. It's a Leatherman tread clone, and apparently you can put this into one of the slots here in the band. Let me see. There you go. And see, there's in each band there's a little Leatherman bit adapter. So you can use my Leatherman tread clone to turn the ratchet. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Now all I have to do is just, add this bit driver into one of the pockets here, and boom, right here behind the pen, and boom, it's good to go. It doesn't make the pouch any thicker. Be right back. So the real intentions why I purchased this, well, so I can have a socket set. I did try to undo the battery with my Knipex pliers, but it just the bolt was on there so tight, and it was kind of an awkward angle that I had to get to the bolt, that I couldn't get it loose with this. And I finally wound up having to use a wrench to get the bolt loose, because I couldn't find another socket adapter. But here's a little one that I just found that I can use here with the Leatherman Ratchet, and it came with this socket set here, and there you go. Now I have a socket that I can work with. And now, do I carry a full set of sockets? No, I probably won't. I'll probably just carry something like a quarter inch socket, which is most common for bolts and stuff. So I might just carry a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch maybe in the pouch. I'll try to figure something out. And it'll also handle, of course, your everyday bits, like so. Now the bits that I use the most are T6, T7, T8. On the that's on the Opry, but these are 4 millimeters, I believe. So they're too small to fit in the ratchet here, unless I think you might need an adapter. So, but it's no problem, because I can always have options of using the smaller bits and the larger bits. So I have both now. And like I said, this Opry tool allows you to use this as a ratchet handle. Sorry about that. And also the 1/4-inch bits also fit in here. Push come to shove. But this angle, you'll find that a lot of the times, you're not capable of using this like this, because there's no room. There's no room. So you have to go into it like a screwdriver straight down, because there may be no room near the bolt. So you have to have an extension a little bit there, and then you can come up here and yep, awesome, worked out great. So that's it, that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting this or something like this, or even the Leatherman tread clone, any of these stuff, check out the affiliate links down below, and catch you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.